In this video, we'll be talking about what is square off in intraday trading. Okay, so a lot of these people have heard the term square off, and also a lot of people know what is square off is. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about what is square off in intraday trading. Okay, so a lot of these people have heard the term square off, and also a lot of people know what is square off is. Okay, so this is the video for beginners who doesn't know what is square off. Okay, so I'll be explaining what is square off in this video, and also square off is known in different terms. Okay, in the different names. So I'll be telling you what is it. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of the people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. So I'll be guiding you guys personally how you can make constant profit. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from basics to make you earn constant profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to make constant profit like this, and if you guys wish to stop your losses from today, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about what is square off in intraday trading. Guys, square off is also known in a different names. That is, square off can be also known as exiting the positions. Okay, so book profit. Okay, so all these things are square off itself. So a lot of beginners don't know what is square off is. Square off simply means that you're exiting one of the position what you entered. For example, you buy some stock at 100 rupees, okay, and you sell it at 101. So exiting at the target or exiting at the stop loss is known as square off. Okay, square offing the position. Okay, exit the position. So all this kind of terms you might have heard already. So that technically known as squaring of the position. Okay, so when you buy or sell any stock, okay, that is called as square off. For example, you, as I said, you now the Bharti Airtel is trading at 343.55. so if you buy at this range and you sell it at 346, and when you exit, that is called as squaring off. Okay, so the exit thing what you do is known as a squaring off. Okay, so now a lot of people may have a doubt, like the beginners usually, how to square off that position, how to exit that position. Okay, so this is Zerodha platform what I'm using right now. So if you're placing the MIS order, you need to square off your order manually if you enter like this. But if you're trading with a bracket order option, okay, so in this what happens is you can enter your quantity and your entry price, target price, stop loss and trailing stop loss. Everything can be entered in this, and this will automatically square off your position once it reaches the stop loss level or the target level. Okay, so if you guys ask me which is the best type of order to place if you're using Zerodha. I prefer to go with bracket order because this will square off for you easily. Okay, so this is the actual meaning of square off. So many times many people ask what is the meaning of square off, or what is the meaning of book profit and all this thing. So everything means the same, like exiting the position. Okay, so if you just buy one stock at a certain price, and when you sell it at some certain price, that is called as squaring off. Squaring off actually means that you're exiting one position. Okay, so square off is a word which is normally used a lot of times in intraday trading. Okay, so in Zerodha I can see here MIS. So all the orders, if you place like bracket order or cover order, are all of MIS order itself, that is marginal intraday square off. So what is margin? So a lot of people ask what is leverage or what is margin. So that is the extra leverage what you get for your capital. For example, let's say your capital is 10,000, so your capital into 10 times, so it becomes 10 times. So whatever the capital you have, it becomes 10 times more when you're doing an MIS trading. Okay, that is a marginal intraday trading when you get the leverage. So it depends on the broker what you're using. Okay, the margins depends on the stock what you're using. So all these things will differ. So make sure you check out your brokerage website to check the leverage what you get for your stocks what you're trading. Okay, and also if you are trading in NSE, your square off, your order will square off around 3:10 p.m. Okay, so and if you don't exit the position, I mean the intraday position, it will automatically get squared off by 3:10 p.m. Okay, so this is what it means. So square off means just exiting the position. So the action of exiting the position what you're trading in is known as square off. Okay, so hope you guys understood what is square off, and this was a very basic topic what a lot of people had confusions and a lot of beginners had a question about. So that's why I've explained you what is square off in intraday trading. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn constant profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.